In this topic, we want to explore the differences um, in uploading a project from an S7-1500 CPU in TIA Portal and do the same task in step 7. We want to at the same time we want to upload a similar project from S7-300 and see what are the differences. We know that TIA Portal and the new S7-1500 CPUs, there are many improvements, and we want to explore one of the most important improvement in engineering. I created a simple project here. It has OB1 with two simple code section, a simple function block, and this function block has been used several times in FB11, and there are many multi-instances here. DB with different structures. DB1 is a DB with complex data structure, and the other point is we have many PLC tags here and hardware configuration. Device configuration. In device configuration, you have the whole hardware, their IO tags, and all these things. I downloaded this same project into PLC SIEM. The version that I'm using is TIA version 16, and the next step will be uploading the same project here and see, is it possible to go online, is it possible to compile and reuse that. When you work in industry, possibly there are some machines or plants that you don't have access to their offline project, and if it's possible to upload a reusable backup, it will be very helpful. The next step is to close this project and create a new one. So we consider the situation that we don't have access to the actual offline project, and we want to upload the from the online CPU. The first step is to create an empty project. Select the name of the project, and in online menu select upload device as new station. Search and upload. That's everything, and you have access to all the blocks and your PLC tag. All PLC tags are available. Blocks and their structure. Their structure is intact while uploading, and you have all names. If you compare the offline online project, everything will be perfect. As I am doing my test in simulating module, I delete this the uploaded project. I delete this uploaded project, and in properties of project, I need to take support simulation during block compilation. because I'm working in a simulation environment. Click OK, and now I try again by uploading. Search and click upload. And we go and see device configuration. We go online. Devices are available. Let's see if we have access to their symbols here. You have access to symbols. Even you can see the symbols in IO tags. The PLC tags are also available, and all these green circles, they indicate that the offline and online projects are identical. It's possible to compile. No error, and it's possible to go online with all the FPs, always and everything, and it's possible to add an extra network here, and you do say possibly you want to do something here with the temporary memory. You can add new program section easily. Without any trouble. It's a very simple example. You can save, you can compile, and you can download the uploaded version. And go online. Everything is smooth, and it's easy to handle. But in older version, the step 7, the situation was a bit different, and we want to explore that. We go to step 7. This is the environment for step 7, and I have the offline version. In the similar scenario is implemented here. I have FB1 as a core function block, another FB10, I have FB10, and it's very simple and program. I developed this very simple AND program, and let me delete. I need the MPI, but I don't need the Profibus here. I can download the offline version here in the simulating module. I can put the CPU into run mode, and I also have another project. I want to upload project from the CPU. Go to PLC and upload the station to PG. And we have the project here. The first thing that we are interested in is the symbols. Empty symbol table, while in the offline project you have the whole symbol table. So you have lost the symbol table and comments when you upload in step 7 from an S7-300. Let's see the project structure in the program. So in OB1 you don't have the symbols, and in FBs like FB10 the names for the names in the meaningful names in the creation table you lost all. And the most scariest part is here. If you want to add something new here, very simple program, you want to add a very simple program like NOP0, and then you want to you have all these FBs in red. So if you want to do something if you want to upload a project in from a CPU, and after that you want to do something, and your project will be inconsistent very easily. Yeah, the solution is out of the scope of this video, but there are some solutions to get rid of this problem. But to summarize all the points, in TIA Portal we have a great TIA Portal for S7-1500. We have a great capability to upload the program in the CPU with all comments and PLC tags and the whole structure intact, and it's reusable. It's easily reusable to edit and to download again, to monitor and troubleshoot. I hope it's helpful for you, and please subscribe to our channel.